Hey boy, sorry I missed your call yesterday. Just a busy day at work. There was a fire to take care of. Doc is heading out for vacation, so I had to just make sure that I got everything I need to fill his spot. So, I know we said we were gonna do this yesterday, but now is better than ever. Remember our keyboard project? I know you need it for school. So yeah, let's get onto it. I know it's due. Yes, it was due yesterday, but sometimes we gotta just learn to negotiate, and it's never too early to start. When I was back at home, people went crazy for these things, right? Well, there's different types. This orange one doesn't really click. There's ones that click, and then there's these keycaps that you can put on it. So they fit on like this. See? Yeah. You've probably seen it before. Anyway, so I was thinking, yes, we can build a keyboard with this, and it'll be super cool. It'll be your best thing that you'll ever have, and you'll cherish it, and that's great. But we have to kind of cut back on the requirements a little bit. Here's what I'm thinking. Instead of multiple keys, let's do something special. Let's make one. It's a start, okay? I agree. I get you. It's a start. If we can make it for one key, we can make it for 10, 100. This should fit right in. You got your key, got your thing. All right? Okay. Now, the fun part to these keys is they need to be hot swappable. Right? So we definitely want hot swappable. And boom, right? And then you can swap them with a new keycap if you want. And now it sounds different, right? The difficult part is we need to make them Bluetooth compatible, right? So luckily, our good friend, engineer Izzy at the base, has made us a little tray here. And here's what I'm thinking. You get where I'm going with this? We put a Bluetooth chip in here. 100 milliampere hour battery. We're gonna have our battery right here. Have our chip right here. And then this is a power switch. We're gonna have our power switch in here. Also gonna need a Bluetooth antenna. That's gonna go onto the Bluetooth. The USB is gonna be right here. We're gonna use it to charge, and also we're gonna use it to program our chip. Yeah. Yes. We also wanted hot swap, right? Because hot swap's the fun part. So we definitely 100% probably want hot swap. I got these mills. They were super hard to find on base. Yeah, man, no, I had to really do some bad things to get these mills. What I'm thinking is we heat sink these mills into these holes, and it's going to clamp onto these pins, and that'll make it hot swappable because we can solder directly on the mills, and we can solder the mills onto the board. Everything will be good. That is the plan. All right, let's start. That'll do it. That was 5 minutes. Okay. Perfect. Super glue. That is an awful soldering job. Nice. All right. I think we're ready to go. Let's put in some screws. The hardest part is the screws. All right, pick a switch. Blue, another blue, or no? Yeah, that's it. Blue. Okay, cool. Okay. Keycap this. There we go. That looks pretty good. And then let's program it. That sounds good. Aha. Yes. Yes. Okay. MONOKEY connected. 100% battery. Key mapper. Okay. Record. Yes. All right. Let's do a action. Ooh. Tap screen, swipe screen, pinch screen. You can launch any app, launch app shortcut, or you can send an intent to an app and tell the app to do something. Voice assistant, open camera. Let's try that. So let's try open camera. Save. Boop. Try that, for example. Boop. Ooh, you can enter do not disturb mode. You can mute toggle brightness, media playback. You know, actually this, let me borrow this for a while. Yeah. If we can make it for 1 key, we can make it for 10, 100. Here it is. Out of the box, it's programmed as a Bluetooth button, but with just one app, you can map it to any action on your smartphone or your smart device. Or if you want to go further, you can. It's backed by a super capable chip, supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, huge community of references that'll help you make your own firmware if that's what you want to do. Just one button. Water mom's plants. Turn off your neighbor's bathroom fan. Whatever it is. This is the MONOKEY.